Hey ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're great. I want to show you a new feature that Zoom just released either today or yesterday. So it's very fresh at the moment I'm recording this video, and it's the ability to integrate your slides in the background of Zoom. So generally when you screen share on Zoom, you will have your slides and then there is your face little and forgotten. And there has been a lot of people trying to actually use technology to have your slides that are there. Let's say you have a green screen like I have right now, to have your slides at the back, and now Zoom does it, and I want to show you how you can do it too. So you can see here, now this is my Zoom window open. You can go down and press share screen there at the bottom, and now you will see that you have basics, which is what you can normally share. Then you have advanced. That's where you can share a portion of your screen, your music, content from a second camera, but now they put slides as virtual background. So you will click there, you press share, and when you press share, it will open up your like a window where you can then open your slide deck. It will take a moment where it says preparing slides that you can see like a blank screen, where now is integrating your slides with then Zoom, and in a moment you will see that your slides will appear. I'm gonna turn on my camera as well there on Zoom, so then when the slides are ready, this is a slide deck with about like 40-50 slides, so it took a bit, but hey yo, like, look at this, that's my face. And now this is the beautiful thing that you can use here. Actually, there are too many of me here, so I'm going to minimize this one. So I'm still gonna be here talking, but you can you can also see here. And now you can enlarge, for example, this is podcast mastery course that we are running right now. I can actually talk about the training, and while I'm talking about the training, I can train, I can point at the slides here at the back, and I can say, okay, this is I need to just check which side. Okay, this is the flow of the day. I need to become better at this. You can work on your foundation. Then we are going to how to set up, find your guests. Here you go. Monetize your show. And then I got my hashtag. And so if I'm explaining, for example, now you have a slide like we have about the GTeX method, I can go on one side. Or if it's too big, I can make myself just a little smaller. So then I'm gonna be there, and I say, okay, so we have the first one, which is clarity of the GTeX, the pillars of the GTeX method. Then we have conversion. Then we have, I will need it to do it well. I will need a bit more. There you go. Then we have, so weird. Then we have expansion, and then we have influence here. And so I'm gonna be there, and I can now put back myself in the middle. Now the great thing about this is that when you are presenting, now the focus is not just anymore on your slides, but is on you as the presenter. And whenever you need the focus again on your slides, boom, back on the side, and you have your slide deck straight here into your into this into your slides. Now it is important to remember that this functionality will work if you have a green screen, or as well without a green screen, as long as you can use the Zoom background. In fact, I'm going to give it a go now, and I'm going to choose a virtual background. I'm going to eliminate the green screen, so you will be able to see now when I'm closing here that my face is still there, is still using the slides, but you can see that there is an halo around my head because I've got a green screen behind me, and you can see that there is green somewhere. There you go. And the image is not crystal clear, but again, if you have a white background behind you, or you don't have a green screen, you are able to use it too in this way, which now makes it really more accessible to do something that a lot of people they spent a lot of money in technology recently to be able to do this, or they were getting crazy, and now Zoom with an update did this for us. So this is the great Zoom update that happened recently. There have been a few more like this is the biggest one, but now you can have more interaction. You can have the heart, the laughy face, the celebration. Here, hopefully you can see them at the bottom of the screen. And then you can, they also improved the way they run their like the sound reduction, and as well the lighting on your face automatically. So there have been a few updates, but this has been the biggest one and I wanted to share it with you. So hope you like it. Let me know what you think about it, and please tag below someone that needs to know this. Maybe they're a coach, a speaker, or a trainer, and they need to see and they using Zoom. They love to be cutting edge in their presentations, a bit more like I am. I always look at how can I create more engaging presentations, or how can I create an experience that stands out from the crowd, and that's definitely one of the ways in which you can do that. So that's it for me. Looking forward to hearing from you, and make sure you tag below someone that needs to see this video. I'll see you next time. Ciao.